Hello, my crafty friends. This is just a very quick little video showing you what I did with, I had boxes and boxes of just scraps like this. Okay. And this is actually what's left over from my sorting that I didn't throw away or give away or put in my boxes that I wanted to use up first before I use those other things. Now there's some fabric and stuff in here that just got thrown in yesterday that really wasn't originally part of this, but there are also some things in here that somehow got mixed in here from Happy Mail, like these are not scraps, these are gorgeous Happy Mail, and I'm going to use them, but I couldn't find them when I was looking for them because somehow they got stuck in a box with scraps. Hence the reason I have decided to limit my scraps to the what I'm working on out of box and these 3 boxes. I did, I'd got 3 of these paper sorter. I mean, they're like, I don't know, they hold 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper. And I made one of them into my large scrap. Let me zoom out a little bit here. My large scrap box. And one is a medium-sized scrap box, and one is a small scrap box. And I'm going to have to limit myself to what will fit in these 3 boxes after I use this up. I didn't want to throw those away. They were too good to throw away, so I'm going to use them first, and then I'll come back. And some of these might almost fit in here. So, you know, that happens, but most of these are big pieces of stuff, and most of these are kind of medium size, and most of these are smaller. The medium and small ones kind of are interspersed a little bit because that's a real hard judgment to make. But I just thought I would let you know what I finally decided to do about my scraps. And I'm gonna be working with this one until I can use this stuff up. But if I can't fit it in one of those other 3 boxes, then I have to use it or get rid of it or trade it and throw away something in one of those boxes so it'll fit in there. That's my new plan. I'm not going to have 10 different boxes with scraps in them anymore. So I hope that's something that will bless you. And like I said, it's a very quick little video, but I just thought I'd let you know how my my craft room scrap overhaul is coming. And I'll be working on more stuff now that I've got the scraps sorted. Thank you, and God bless you.